Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Ballecia and I'm here today with another work from home or anywhere for that matter video. Okay, this is a requested video. I've got persons in Jamaica, big up on herself, and Barbados, big up my Caribbean massive, asking for jobs that they can do from the Caribbean. Now, this is not going to exclude anyone. It's not just for Caribbean folks. This is for US or anywhere in the world because these are jobs you can do from anywhere you're located. Even if you have a well-planned vacation, it doesn't have to be interrupted. Just grab your laptop, your phone, or anything and get on that plane or boat wherever. All right, so let's get right into it. No, guys, a little disclaimer. I do not know if I have overworked myself or what's going on, or I need to go ahead and fill that prescription for my glasses. But in this video, I keep calling this company Top Total. Please forgive me. All right, it's Top Tal. Top Tal. Oh my God, I'm just stating the obvious. Top Tal, okay? But you'll be hearing Top Total. All right, all right. Let's get into it. The first job I want to bring to you is with Top Total, okay? And it's for Ruby on Rails developer. It is a freelance contracted position, freelance slash contracted position. Here you can see you can be located anywhere, and this was posted 2 days ago. There are people applying, so don't let the 2 days ago fool ya. Definitely get your application in if you're interested in this job. Let's talk about it. Now, TopTotal is one of the most innovative and rapidly expanding tech startups from Silicon Valley. Our platform is the fastest growing network of top talent and companies in the history of the internet, connecting thousands of elite engineers all over the world with companies who want to utilize their skills on their most urgent initiatives. TopTotal has become the number one choice for leading companies requiring top tier engineering talent and for the top 3% of software developers and engineers looking for their next challenge. Now, let's look into the position description. We're looking for a Ruby on Rails developer to be responsible for managing the interchange of data between the server and users. Your primary focus will be to develop all server side logic, define and maintain central database, and ensure high performance and responsiveness to requests from the front end. You will also be responsible for integrating front end elements built by other team members into the application. So, a basic understanding of front end technologies is necessary as well. All right. Now let's take a look at the benefits. It says by joining Top Total Network, you'll have the opportunity to work on many client projects ranging from startups to Fortune 500s with teams of highly skilled experts from around the world. This is a remote position that can be done from anywhere. Okay? I got you covered. Now, benefits freedom to choose your own schedule and choose from a variety of hourly, part time, and full time projects. The ability to work from wherever you want, whether you prefer traveling and working from exotic beaches or spending time with your family and working from home, the choice is yours. Access to a thriving, collaborative community of talented peers, invitations to frequent top total events going on around the world, including dinners, tech talks, conferences, and more. Extremely competitive compensation. They didn't list the compensation, but they say it's extremely competitive, guys. So go ahead and apply and see how much they're willing to offer you. And remember to negotiate your pay. Responsibilities design, build, and maintain efficient, reusable, and reliable Ruby code. So I believe you'll need some skill in coding, yeah. Integrate data storage solutions, including databases, key value stores, blob stores, etc. Integrate user facing elements built by your front end developer teammates with server side logic. Identify bottlenecks and bugs and devise solutions to these problems. Help maintain code quality, organization, and automation. Optimize applications for speed and scalability. Collaborate with other team members and stakeholders. Take smart risks and champion new ideas. Requirements. So these are your requirements, guys. They got a list of them. I'm not going to read everything, but let me point out a few. Senior level Ruby on Rails expertise, along with strong experience in common libraries such as RSpec. Don't kill me if I'm butchering this technology, people. And Risk. Oh, I'm definitely butchering that. But moving on. Strong understanding of the syntax of Ruby and its nuances, strong understanding of object oriented programming principles. All right, go ahead and read them, guys. You want to put these power words on your resume, especially if you have the experience. Okay, where my IT people at? Where my engineering people at? Go ahead and put these. Okay, definitely put these on your resume. So, because these days resumes aren't being reviewed by people; they're reviewed by artificial intelligence. They put it in the system, and these power words are gonna separate your resume from the fluff. Okay. All right, familiarity with continuous integration, be open to receiving feedback. Now, when you are ready to apply, you just come on over here, click apply for this position. I'm going to leave the link in the description bar below, in the description box below. It's going to take you here to the top total website, okay? Remote freelance Ruby on Rails developer jobs with top global clients. And then you're going to go ahead and click right here where it says apply. All right, you can sign up with your LinkedIn account. All right, and then you go ahead and fill this out right here. Okay. Now let's jump into the next job position. Now, the next job position is also with Top Total. Work from anywhere. It was posted 2 weeks ago. However, they're still accepting job applications, and this is for people who also have experience in web application development. We already reviewed what Top Total is all about. Let's talk about the position description. Your primary responsibility will be the implementation of visual elements and their behaviors with user interactions. Go ahead and read the rest, guys. Benefits: freedom to choose your own schedule, basically the same benefits, okay? Being able to work on the beach if you want, or be home with your family. So, and they also say extremely competitive compensation. Now, I'm going to show you how to have an idea of what they pay in a moment, okay? We'll get to that. Responsibilities: develop new user facing features using React library, build reusable, clean code with performance and simplicity in mind, ensure the technical feasibility of UI/UX designs, optimize applications for maximum speed and scalability, take smart risk and champion new ideas. As you can see, I did skip out some. Go ahead and read it in full. Now, requirements: strong understanding of React library best practices and conventions, comfort with JSX is preferred, not required, but preferred, okay? Extensive experience with JavaScript, its quirks and workarounds, basic understanding of web markup, including HTML5 and CSS3. All right, all these are power words and skills that you want to put on your resume to set yourself apart from the competition. If you do not have all of these requirements, it's perfectly fine. Still go ahead and update your resume and put that on there. Let me know if you need help as it relates to resume templates because I'm brainstorming ways how to help you. All right. And I want to know that is something that you'd be able to, take advantage of. Something that you'd actually want. So let me know if you need help like with resume templates so that I can go ahead and prepare those for you and make it available. Okay. All right. And the next job, well, again, when you're ready to apply, just click here, apply for the position. It's going to take you over to the website. I'm going to leave the link in the description box below, and you go ahead and apply. Okay. Now, the next job that I want to review with you is freelance React Native developer. All right. This one was posted 4 weeks ago. All right. And it's not as long as the other one. So let's take a look at it. So they're telling you that freelance work is defining the careers of today's developers in exciting new ways. All right, and if you're passionate about working flexible, okay, if you're passionate about working flexibly with leading Fortune 500 brands and innovative Silicon Valley startups, Top Total could be a great fit for your next career. Now, these jobs that I'm reviewing, guys, don't just stop right here. Go on the Top Total website and see if there are other job opportunities that you'd like to take advantage of. Okay, don't just wait for me to come and tell you these. When I give you the website, definitely look at other jobs that are available as well. Okay, now this position is for project management. Okay, a freelance developer, you could join an over expanding community of experts in over 120 countries working remotely on the projects that meet your career ambitions. Okay, now that's why the world's top 3% of developers choose Top Total. That's what they're saying right here. English language proficiency, 3+ years of professional experience, project management skills, a keen attention to detail. All right, so this is what they're saying that developers in our elite network share. Okay, these things right here. And I'm pretty sure, if you have your degree in IT or engineering, project management, you'll be able to definitely compete for this job right here. Okay. Now, when you're ready, again, click on that link right there and it will take you, all right, to this website, and you go ahead and click this green button right here so you can apply for the position. So now, as it relates to pay, as you see, the previous job positions, they didn't state how much you get paid. However, it is freelance work. And if we should go on the website, all right, on Top Total's website, as it relates to the process for this, is that okay? So the job is gonna come to you, all right. You can definitely click on these cards; they'll flip around and they'll tell you what it's all about. Okay, you can work from anywhere, get paid on time and every time. So set the rate you want and enjoy a steady stream of income without the overhead. We handle all billing and invoicing directly with clients so you can focus on your remote engagements. Okay, so you set your rate as it relates to this freelance work on Top Total, and they're saying that you're going to be getting top clients as well. Now, as it relates to jobs that are not freelance work, and okay, the recruiter or the job posting did not show the pay, this is what I do. I go over to Google and say, for example, I'm looking for the estimated pay for Walmart let's manager, for example. So type that in Google, estimated, and I'm using one hand typing right now because I'm holding the mic with the other one. Okay, for Walmart manager. Let's see if I'm gonna get it. All right, so this says that how much does Walmart management in Florida pay? The average Walmart salary ranges from approximately 32 per year. Overnight manager, 205,000 per year for district manager. All right, and this is from Indeed. That information right there. And if you want to scroll down some more, Glassdoor normally gives you more as well, more information as well. So total pay 87K to 140K per year. You can do this for any job, okay? To get an estimation as it relates to how much you'll get paid. Definitely stay tuned. Oh my God, I'm doing in depth research so that the job that I'm posting is not just remote in the United States, but where you can work from anywhere. This is for digital nomads. Okay, so I'm definitely going to be doing some extensive research as it relates to this because I'm a big cheerleader for flexibility and being able to travel and do whatever you want while you're working and not being fixed to one location. So definitely subscribe, share this video if you know someone that would definitely benefit from this, and give it a thumbs up, okay? And subscribe for more content like these. God bless, love, peace. All right, big up on yourself.